Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, developing next generation diesel electric submarine. India is set to embark on a significant naval undertaking with the development of a new diesel electric submarine under Project 76. The Warship Design Bureau, that is WDB, and Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited (MDL) have been entrusted with the responsibility of designing this cutting-edge submarine, which will incorporate the latest Indian-made technologies. Next, Korea keen to offer next-generation infantry fighting vehicle to India. South Korea's Hanwha Defense has confirmed its participation in the bidding process for India's futuristic infantry combat vehicle, that is FICV project. The company has offered its advanced K-21 next generation infantry fighting vehicle with complete transfer of technology for local manufacturing in India. This move comes as an Indian Army plans to replace its aging fleet of Soviet Union era BMP-1 and BMP-2 infantry combat vehicles with modern and technologically advanced FICVs. Next, Indian Air Force to enhance maintenance efficiency with automated inspection drones. The Indian Air Force is set to revolutionize its maintenance operation by incorporating automated inspection drones into its base maintenance procedures. These cutting-edge drones will play a vital role in improving the efficiency, reliability, and accuracy of visual inspection conducted by transport aircraft and fighter jets, thereby optimizing maintenance activities. Next, Predator drones P-81 surveillance aircraft have proved to be useful in operations over Ladakh, says Navy Chief. Amid the ongoing standoff with China in eastern Ladakh, Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar on Thursday said the P-81 surveillance planes, along with the 2 leased Predator drones, have proved useful in Ladakh since 2020 and will further improve the capabilities when they start arriving in the country. Next, Chandrayaan 3 will lift off on July 14th, will land on August 23, says ISRO chief. Director of Indian Space and Research Organization S. Somnath has announced that the Chandrayaan 3, India's planned third lunar exploration mission, will be launched on July 14th at 2:35 p.m. The ISRO chief made the remark on day 1 of the Space Economy Leaders Meet held in Bengaluru on Thursday as part of India's G20 presidency. Next, UK woman pilot recreates flight of British Indian spy Noor Inayat Khan. A female pilot from the UK has used her scholarship towards a special flying mission to recreate the deadly mission behind enemy lines undertaken by British Indian spy Noor Inayat Khan during the Second World War. Flora Smith, who won the British Women Pilots Association scholarship in 2021, by inviting an aviation enthusiast to carry out a special mission, decided to link this to the special operations executive. Next, HAL commences manufacturing of last 2 Prachand LCH helicopters. HAL has commenced the production of the last 2 Prachand light combat helicopter as part of the 15-unit limited series production ordered at a cost of rupees 3,887 crore last year. The LSP-14 variant can be seen in the assembly line, currently in the airframe assembly stage, and is expected to complete its development flight by the end of this year. Next, Rafale 5 to get upgraded RBE-2 XG radar. The DGA has recently initiated a development study for a new radar system that will equip the Rafale combat aircraft as part of its evolution to the F-5 standard. This significant upgrade is set to enhance the capabilities of the Rafale, and the radar known as RBE-2XG will be instrumental in achieving this objective. Developed by Thales and utilizing gallium nitride technology, the RBE-2XG radar promises improved calculation range and detection capabilities. Thank you.